stressful at the best of times. But if you're a resident at the park, the keepers are always on hand to help you with the packing and to make sure you don't get in too much of a flap. It's all change over in Animal Adventure as the Secertary Birds are heading for a new home. Happy couple 4-year-old Kevin and 3-year-old Janine have outgrown their residence and are moving to a busier part of town with new neighbours. Fellow birds of prey, the vultures. Keeper Amy is in charge of the relocation.
I think it will be a little bit overwhelming at first, but once they've settled into a new routine and they'll have some familiar sort of fixtures in their enclosure that they have here, once they know the structure and hierarchy in that enclosure, they'll be fine.
This pair have been together for 2 years and recently they've shown signs that they're ready to breed, so a bigger home is needed. But moving them may not be straightforward. Those legs can dish out a killer kick, as Jean witnessed a couple of years ago.
Oh, right on the head.
So today the team are leaving nothing to chance, putting on protective goggles and gloves before heading into the enclosure.
Okay? Yep. All right. That's it. Oh, careful. We're getting down in that corner.
The idea is to catch the birds and put towels and pillowcases over their heads to keep them calm for the journey. But Kevin and Janine are definitely not keen on that approach.
Nearly on it. Nearly on it. They'll get tired in a minute.
It's no mean feat catching a 4-foot-tall, snake-stamping bird with a wingspan of 7 feet.
I know, my boy. That's it. All right, all right. That's it. All right. Good boy. Good boy. We've just got Kevin, and that was quite a quick retrieval. So we've just got to go and get his wife now, and I bet she'll be a bit different.
Known for her feisty temperament, Janine isn't likely to come willingly.
Right, young lady, let's get you. Down you go. And she's going to be kicking out a little bit, this one. All right, darling, you go into the bed area. Go on, into the bed. Into the bed, Bubby. Go on, don't go up. Go on. Oh, you all right, Nick? Yeah, she's trying to go for you. Get off of there. Come on. She'll get you. All right, calm down.
Finally, Janine stops flapping about.
Well done, Nick. Well done. All right, all right.
And throws in the towel.
Wing in. Wing in. Both got.
Their new home is just a mile up the road, but Kevin and Janine won't be fraternising with their new neighbours straight away. They're staying in an annex to give them time to adjust.
Obviously, it's stressful for them at the moment because they're in a new enclosure that they're not used to. They're not sure of where they are or what's happening. It'll take a day or two for them to kind of chill out.
Once they're settled, Kevin and Janine will be let out into the large aviary to mix with the locals. But will they be the nightmare neighbours next door? We'll find out later.